I was talking about Moira and
Soraya.
Soraya. How is this? You know, paano? Kasi napakaklaro pa, lalo na doon sa mga sumubaybay kay Moira. When you do something like this, Pinky, as an actor, what do you do?
Siyempre nandun yung pressure to make Soraya different. Kasi more than 2 years nang nakatatak si Moira sa isipan at diwa ng mga tao. So, Soraya has to be very different. Well, Soraya is different kasi Soraya is talagang kriminal. Okay?
Kaya pala yung mga patayin mo.
Yes, oo. Asawa siya ng isang parang mafia boss.
Okay.
And then she took over the job. So talagang ano siya, walang pakundangan, mamamatay tao. Yun.
Okay.
So that's different.
As opposed to the character of
To
Moira.
who started out as the wronged wife. 'Di ba? Wronged wife, nagkamali yung asawa niya, nakabuntis ng iba, tapos naging kalaban pa ng anak niya yung anak ng asawa niya sa labas, ganon. So, Moira was more emotional. More emotional, may pinanghuhugutan na, linoko mo ko eh.
Kumusta ang pagiging kontrabida kay Marikit? How is it working with Herlene Budol?
Napakadali kasi,
dahil
ano siya eh, very concerned siya sa kapwa niya lagi. I think, generally sa cast ng Binibining Marikit, the women and even the men take care of each other. Inaalagaan nilang
That's nice
isa-isa.
to hear.
Oo. Di ba dapat naman ganun?
Dapat,
Oo,
oo.
di ba? So,